Look at your licensure and CME module. So when you first log into your faculty portal, it looks like this. It looks like it gives you your welcome message, your academic productivity for the year, gives you your CMEs and licensure out here. It gives you education calendar if there are any events. So we go to the left-hand menu and we're going to look down out here, and it's going to give us the licensure and CME aspect. Click on that, and it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Right on top, it gives you your DEA numbers, your ACLS and BLS, and below that it gives you all the licenses that you may be holding. So this information, the source of this information is when you create your profile. So when you click on the profile image and it brings up to your profile, you click on that and it gives you the information that you've already entered out here when you create your profile out here. So again, we don't need your license number. All we need is the expiry dates to to keep track and send you reminders. And you can put in as many medical licensure information as you need. So once you come back to the module here, in the faculty access, it's going to look like this. So it's going to keep track of your CMEs per calendar year, and it will tell you when it's time when you've met the criteria for renewal. So for example, if you were licensed in the state of Tennessee, it knows that the state of Tennessee requires 40 hours of CME for every 3 years, and it keeps running total by calendar year of the number of CMEs that you have earned. And the CME records can be added manually out here. So when you add the CME records, it'll ask you what category of CMEs it is, whether it's like a general CME, whether it relates to any one of these specific things that certain states would require. You select if it's applicable to a specific state. You put in the information, including if you have a JPEG image of like the CME certificate, let's say from a conference, you can upload that out here as well. So once you upload that, it basically forms a repository for the individual to keep track of all the CMEs that they have attended. At the bottom of the page, as you scroll down, it gives you the information on your licensure that you've entered. So if you need to modify anything, you can do that as well. And this gives you like a quick snapshot of what's going on as far as your various licensure and your CMEs. So remember, the system will also send you emails 6 months before expiry, 1 month before expiry, and 1 week before expiry to your email to tell you that it's time to renew. So we are trying to help you as much as possible so that you can focus on the task of taking care of patients and not worry about missing deadlines within Blueprint Academia. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you very soon on another video with Blueprint Academia. Thank you.